In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to GoDaddy Website Builder. To get started, sign in to your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, go to your profile area so you can access the main account options. From there, click on My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your active services and website-related tools, so it's the place you'll use to manage the website you want to update. Next, find the specific website you want to work on. If you have more than one site in your account, just make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Once you've found it, click Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor, where you can make changes to your site's pages and content. After the editor loads, navigate to the specific page where you want your blog to appear. This is important because the blog section will be added directly to the page you're currently editing. When you're on the right page, click Add Section. This allows you to insert new content blocks and features into your website layout. From the section options, look for Blog and Newsletter, then choose Blog. GoDaddy usually provides a few preset layouts, so you can select the one that best matches the style of your website. If you don't immediately see the blog option, you can also use the search bar and simply type in blog. Then choose a layout you like and click it to add it to the page. This can save time, especially if you're working with a lot of available section types. Once the blog section has been added to your page, you can begin creating content. Look for the Create Post option and click it. This is where you'll write your article. Enter your blog title and your post content, then take some time to customize everything as needed. You can adjust the text, layout, and other visible elements so the blog fits the overall look and feel of your website. When you're happy with the post and everything looks the way you want, click Publish. That will make your blog post live on your website. A helpful tip here is to preview your page before finishing, just to make sure the blog section appears in the right place and looks good on both desktop and mobile views. With that done, your GoDaddy website now has a blog section, and you're ready to start sharing articles and updates with your visitors.